Guys, this print is on Epson L8050. No modifications, no RIP software. Just print from your JPG, PNG or any other software. So this is what we have printed on L18050. This is 50-inch length print. And this is what we have. It won't end. We have printed around 100 meters like this. You must have seen the paper was inside. It's printing and the software is Ziggroll Sublimation Photo. It's now officially launched. This is a licensed version of Ziggroll, and yes, the software is now ready for installations. So you can get the information on dtgdtf.com or ziggroll.com, the official website. Now you can see it has already printed and the paper is inside. Paper has not come out. We will select a different image now. I have one more image. Just click on open image. Let's print test JPG. I have this image here. That's a color chart. I will print it on 2 pass because I want to make a quick video, and I'll set the ink percentage to, you can change it as per your requirements. I'll set the ink percentage to 43% and I'll print 10 copies of it. 10, and the gap between two prints is 1 mm. And I'll just select the printer. You have options here. Right now the software is compatible with these many printers. You can check the website ziggroll.com. I'll just hit on 8050. I'm testing on this, and I'll just hit on print, and the print has started. So it's now printing this color chart. So now we are printing whatever it is. We are printing 8 copies of the same image with only 1 mm gap between two prints. And after printing this, the roll will stay inside. So you can see we have already printed 10 copies of it, and the printer has paused. Just because for a video I am printing it on 2 pass, you have option to print on fastest, super fast and normal. So normal is the best option actually, but I'll again print on 2 pass with ink percentage at 45% or 47%. And let's try. I'll just click on print, and here it will start printing as soon as the job is ready. So I have started. So you can see the difference in the density. My pickup rollers on this side already have catched up a lot of inks. So here it will print again 2 copies and it will hold. So whenever you ship a new file, this is the head space. If you want to duplicate one file multiple times, you can decide the space like this. So here you can see the lines have reduced. You can set it up in the software. You can even reduce it more, or you can use a different quality paper and sublimation inks. So that's it from mine. Prabodh this side from Creative, a brand, a name you can trust.